Greetings from the road. This is Freighter Jim. This is a long day that's coming to an end. I started in Bakersfield and went through Los Angeles traffic on a Friday on a holiday weekend, which, as everybody knows, is just crazy. Got here, Mark's got his 55 four-door Ford station wagon. He's going to do driving lessons in this parking lot. Well, his wife looks on. She just renewed the insurance policy, life insurance. This is a nice wagon. All the lights work, turn signals work. He's taking it for a spin because he hasn't driven a 3-speed column in a while. Isn't that a beautiful car? Look at that patina. That's smart. He's going to go left. Now he's coming at us so we can see a view. What a pretty Ford wagon. I've never hauled one of these before. That's a running and driving car. So what do you think? Yeah, you'll get used to it. You think you're going to be okay to drive it home?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Okay, that's it for me. Everybody have a good Memorial Day weekend. Drive safe, arrive alive. Freighter Jim, getting back on the road.